Humingi umano ng tulong ang Interpol ayon kay Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. at isang pagtalima lamang anya sa inaasahan ng international community sa bansa ang pagtugon ng Pilipinas sa inilabas na arrest warrant ng ICC.
This is what the international community expects of us as the leader of a democratic country that is part of the community of nations. Interpol asked for help and we obliged because we have commitments to the Interpol which we have to fulfill. If we don't do that, they will no longer help us with other cases involving Filipino fugitives abroad. We did this because Interpol asked us to do it. And we have commitments to them and we lived up to those commitments.